first ever video. I don't know how to feel. I don't know what to call this, like graduation help, prep, grad. I'm helping Nevaeh with her grad cap. I'm decorating her grad cap. So we're gonna make a checklist of things I have to do today. This is the day before. Today's the 23rd. Graduation is tomorrow, the 24th. Graduation cap. Wash my hair. Because I do need to wash my hair. I'm not even gonna lift it up. I'm not showing you my toes either. I just finished doing my toes. As you can see, I just finished doing my toes. So toes are done for the beach tomorrow. Nails are already done. This is just like the prep portion of the video. Cute. Guys, wait, I think I ate. Let's do, oh, what's in my eye? Oh. So I had to pull out the hot glue gun because she got super glue, but like, I don't know. The progress check is looking good. Detail. Ooh. Beyonce! Tell me I ain't freaking eat. For it to come out this freaking good, book me as your, what's it called? I don't know, but book me some way, somehow.
The one, the one, con. The 2, 1, 2, the hunty one.
Now we wait till Nevaeh comes and picks it up.
Don't let Nevaeh see.
Oh, that
Period. You can't do that to your child. 10 across the board.
Yes, I like that it's sticking off too. It was better this way. Sasha Fierce. All right, y'all. I'm gonna include the videos I took during Grad.
Release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the stress, release the stress, release the love, forget the rest, release the anger, release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the stress, release the stress, release the love, forget the
We about to go to the beach. How you feeling?
Feel good.
You just graduated.
Not you. Not you. Yes.
This freaking sand all up in my
Me
face.
too, with my lashes.
Are we getting back
Sand in
contact?
the eyeballs.
Okay, I don't know if you hear me. The wind blowing the sand in our faces. So we're heading out to the boardwalk.
You want some fries? Oh,
Say hi, Ania.
hey.
They be feeling you, yeah, I'm always out, but I'm in you. Wanna say go ahead and send me you. Any got you been, but I'ma bend you to it. If you got a man, we could bend the rules. If I was a man, I'd be 10 or 2. If you really wanna.
We're on our way home.
That's why I cannot confide in you.
Alright. How was today for you?
It was
You
great. I'm
graduated
so
today.
excited. Thank you, Tati, for coming to my graduation beach day. I don't really know, but I have fun, and I want to go to the beach more this summer.
So when's the next?
Next week, we in the beach every week.
Oh, next week I'm down.
All right, we down.
We made it back home. I'm about to unpack. It was a nice first vlog, first YouTube video. It was cool. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see you. I don't want to be one of those corny YouTubers. See you on the next one. See you in. Whoa. See you on the next one. If that's how they say it. All right. Bye.